Dear students, welcome to the iPhone Battery Repair Course. In this course, we will learn how to repair an iPhone battery. Before starting the repair process, we will first learn about the iPhone battery. What is an iPhone battery? An iPhone battery is composed of two main parts. 1. BMS circuit board. 2. Battery cell. What is the BMS circuit board? BMS stands for Battery Management System. This small board is connected to the battery and helps manage the battery. It is connected to the main board of the phone. Every lithium battery uses a BMS circuit board because it allows control of the battery's power. It helps determine how much charge the battery has, or if it is discharged. Additionally, the BMS ensures the safety of the battery. When a battery becomes weak, the battery management system notifies us. The BMS circuit board indicates whether the battery condition is good or bad. As you may have seen, we can check the battery health percentage on the iPhone. This percentage is provided through the BMS system. The BMS circuit board keeps our phone safe. When there is an issue in the battery, for example, if the negative and positive terminals get connected, the phone turns off to prevent damage to the motherboard. Apple uses a serial number for the BMS circuit board in iPhone batteries. When we change an iPhone's battery, a notification pops up because the serial number of the new battery doesn't match the motherboard's serial number. What is a battery cell? iPhones use Li-ion batteries, which are rechargeable and long-lasting. The part where charge is stored in a battery is called the battery cell. A battery cell is made up of four main components. 1. Anode. It conducts positive electron flow. 2. Cathode. It conducts negative electron flow. 3. Separator. It separates the anode and cathode and prevents short circuits. 4. Electrolyte. It is a conductive solution that helps the flow of ions between the anode and cathode. The quality of these components, especially the anode and cathode, significantly affects the battery's capacity, lifespan, and overall performance. If the components are of good quality, the battery's durability increases. This is why we should always check the quality of a battery before purchasing it. What is iPhone battery repair? In simple terms, iPhone battery repair is the process of reusing the BMS circuit board from a damaged original battery and attaching it to a new battery cell to make the battery usable again. Why do we learn iPhone battery repair? There are several reasons why we should learn iPhone battery repair, and I will highlight a few of the main reasons. 1. Reuse original BMS circuit board. We all know that there is no alternative to original parts. Using original parts increases the longevity of the battery and protects the phone. This is why it is important to reuse the original BMS circuit board. 2. Remove iPhone battery change. Warning message. When we directly change the battery, iPhone detects that the battery has been replaced and a warning message appears. If we reuse the original BMS circuit board, this warning message will not appear. 3. Modify battery data. By using the original BMS circuit board, we can modify the battery's health and cycle data, such as setting the battery health to 100% and the cycle count to 0. 4. Cost savings. Using the original BMS circuit board can save 30% to 50% in costs. The price of a battery cell is generally 30% to 50% lower than that of a complete replacement. 5. Skill development and career opportunities. Learning iPhone battery repair can be a new skill that opens up new career opportunities. Many companies value this skill and can offer you employment. 6th stop. E-waste. By reusing the original BMS circuit board, you help reduce electronic waste, which contributes to environmental conservation. Thank you for everyone.